Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of apps opened at the same time, they could cause your device to work slower, to be laggy even. So if you want to close them all at once, all you need to do is just to access Recent section. If you have the 3 buttons navigation set up, the one of these right or left button will be Recent. But if you have the gesture navigation, all you need to do is just swipe your finger like this and hold it here, and you can access this Recent section. So here you can see all of these opened apps, and to close them all at once, swipe here, and here you have the Clear All button. Tap on it, and after that all of these apps will be closed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.